Today, I share with you all how I prepare this delicious, crunchy, carrot-flavored chinchin. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Here I have some carrots, which I already washed and peeled and cut into small pieces. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into a food processor and blend it roughly. I have some all-purpose flour, added some nutmeg, some salt and some baking powder and sugar, and I'll go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. Added some melted butter and one egg. I'll go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. I will leave the full ingredients down below. If you are interested, you can check it out. I'll go ahead and add the star ingredients of this recipe, which is carrot. As you guys can see, I roughly blended it. I didn't blend it smoothly. Once I add the carrot, I'll go ahead and continue to mix until everything are well mixed together. I add in the milk and I'll go ahead and mix everything together until I achieve a smooth, stretchy dough consistency. This is the consistency I'm looking for. I just sprinkle more all-purpose flour. I knead everything together really well and I cover it with a plastic wrap. I set it aside till I prepare my working surface. I cut out a good reasonable amount of dough out of the dough. I place it in my working surface and knead it a little bit and I sprinkle some all-purpose flour to it and I go ahead and roll it into a flat shape. Once you notice that the dough is sticking to the rolling pin, go ahead and sprinkle more flour to it so it will be easy for you to roll it, alright? Once you are done with the rolling, go ahead and cut it into any shape of your choice. I'm cutting it into the regular chinchin shape, alright? This is the shape that my client asked for, alright? But feel free to cut it into any shape of your choice. And if you have pizza cutter, it makes the job very easy, more than the knife, alright? But if you don't have pizza cutter, go ahead and make use of knife, but it's going to take a little bit of time. The one that I already cut, I place them on a tray and I continue to repeat the same process till I'm done. One tip that I will give, if you are making chinchin, make sure you cut all the chinchin before you started frying it, alright? It makes the job more easy. Once you started frying it, you just go ahead and fry all the chinchin at once. I drop one chinchin into the oil just to check if the oil is already heated up and it has heated up to my perfection, alright? I just go ahead and add the chinchin and allow to fry. You guys look at the color. The color is popping. It looks really good, guys, and it smells amazing. I gently move the chinchin around so everything can fry perfectly well. And at this stage, this batch is done. It's looking so good. It smells so amazing. I just go ahead and remove it from the oil and set it on a paper towel. And I'll continue to repeat the same process till I'm done. Just look at that, guys. Take a moment to appreciate the color. It looks so good, guys, and it tastes absolutely amazing. The feedback was so amazing. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!